month is May. The month is May. The month is May. The month is May. And so we know that there are 12 months in a year. Do you know that?
12 months in a year. 12 months in a year.
Can you see okay?
12 months in a year. 12 months in a year.
Okay, let's start. January,
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January starts a new year.
Okay, good job. All right, let's come back here. Let's do our, how many days in a week? Hold up our fingers.
7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. 7 days in
Can
a
we
week.
sing our song?
7 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and that's the end.
And so we're looking up here. Yesterday was Monday.
Yesterday was
Monday.
Yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was Monday.
Today is Tuesday. Today is Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday.
So, we know the month, the day. Now we need to know what the date is.